Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again. So, hindi matagal walang upload. As always, it's because busy kami sa aming local fiesta in my municipality. Join me for today. Pupunta lang kaming Petron Marilao ulit. Petron Gaming na naman kami. So, ngayon, may bago tayong kinagabit sa Black Pearl natin, and that is the SCR1 or yung SC Project SCR1 na pipe. Thank you to Garage Point kasi sila yung nag-facilitate ng order ko. At the same time, sila na din yung nagkabit. Medyo i-compare ko lang yung difference niya doon sa former pipe ko, which is yung M4 exhaust or yung shorty pipe, no? Kinuha ko siya nung una dahil nanonood ako nung vlog ni Jao. Tapos maganda eh, sarap pakinggan lahat. Pero parang kulang ganun. So nung pina-remap ko siya, parang nag-okayhan naman ako, pero parang may lumalabas sa problema or something like that eh. Kaya medyo sabi ko, parang gusto kong baguhin yung pipe. So yun, binago natin yung pipe. Tapos hinintay natin yun. Medyo matagal yung ordering nung SC project natin eh. So yun, tas so far sa sa paggamit ko sa kanya kahapon from Garage Point to my house, mas ramdam ko yung smoothness talaga nung pipe na to compared dun sa M4. So parang na-remap ECU flash na rin to siya. Tapos parang nakahango dun sa M4. Pero nung pinalit yung SCR1, parang wala akong naging problema. Kaya pinag-iisipan ko kung ipapa-remap pa namin to eh. Pero siguro probably papa-remap ko kasi nagkakaroon ng something na problem dun sa ESD eh. I don't know if it's, sabi ni Kuya dun, parang yung electronic steering damper ito. Pero gumagana naman eh. I don't know, nagkakaroon lang ng konting problema. So, yun. Trinay lang natin. Tsaka nakita mo yun? Yung tawag dito. God, sarap. Grabe. Nakakalabas yung my goodness. Shit, mate. My God. I'm trying this out ngayon, papuntang Petron Marilao, to see if may significant difference in terms of performance. Pero parang so far yun nga, napapunta ko ng bahay from Garage Point, lumalabas talaga yung angas niya. Grabe, napaka-smooth. Medyo less pa yung backfire niya. Ayun, so we're going to try it out muna. Sorry, ang dami kong skip kasi ay ganito yung pinipiga ako. Nalilimutan ko magsalita. Ang ganda talaga, promise. Off topic lang guys, since we're just talking, as nandito naman tayo sa vlog natin, I just like to brag about our festival or yung fiesta namin doon sa San Fernando Masbate. Ang ganda. Galing ng executive committee ng San Fernando Masbate for setting up such a eventful fiesta. Daming nagko-comment na maganda. So, thank you sa ating mga executive committee. You know who you are. And let us hope na ma-retain natin yung prestige na tayo ang may isa sa pinakamandang fiesta sa San Fernando. So, yun. If you guys are interested to look or to know what happened in our fiesta, please follow LGU San Fernando Masbate page. Marami siyang page pero yung isa lang talaga yung totoo doon, yung may mga updated post. Just check it out, guys. We'll be uploading a montage ng mga videos nung ginawa namin doon sa fiesta. So we are now here, my God. Saya nung daanan din, wala masyado sa sakyan. Sana wala tayong mga sirs. Mga sirs! Para sitahin tayo. So, gusto ko lang pala ipagmalaki tong PG Tech na sa mounting. Super sturdy at super stable. Hindi ako na problema dun sa Insta 360 X4. So, we upgraded from the X3 to the X4. Ayun, so we will see later kung talagang Pero sa ngayon so far, sa tinatakbo ko ngayon, I am super satisfied with the SE project. Tapos, i-upload ko rin pala kasi binaga to kahapon nung nila Sir Alexis tsaka ng staff ng Garage Point. Binaga nila to. So, yung titanium na link pipe niya, blue na blue. If you wanna know the price of the SE project, wait until makarating tayo sa Petron Marilao. Siyempre, bibiliinin ko din muna kayo. Sayang naman, dapat makabot niya yung dulo ng clip, diba? But so far, yesterday's ride and today, ilang kilometro pa lang travel ko, super satisfied talaga ako sa performance ng natin, SE project natin. So, if new 10R owners are looking for a good pipe, promise, SE project, SCR1, super sulit. Of course, kung meron pa kayong mas bang for the buck, meron tayo ng Actra, which is of course, super sulit din. What the fuck? Napakiramdaman ko lang ang ating, pero sobrang ramdam mo yung difference niya. Mas aside sa hindi siya maingay, yung performance sa motor parang ano talaga. It was made for ZX-10. It really was made for ZX-10R. Yung ating SCR1 na SU project. Ang ganda. I can't say anything much but just enjoy the ride. Grabe yung effect niya. Ramdam mo talaga yung nakakahinga yung pipe or yung ano niya. It's so good. From here on out, let's just enjoy the ride. But yun, please do like and subscribe to my page, comment, and if there's anything you want to ask, just please comment down below sa mga comment box natin. And yeah, we can answer them while riding. Pwede natin siya sagutin habang nag-ride tayo. There's just something I would like to share before we go, and that is whether you should buy a liter bike or not here in the Philippines. My answer is no. Hell no. Hindi talaga siya sulit yung liter bike dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yeah, for the fun of it you can. If you have the extra budget, right? There's no problem with it. But the problem is, yun, hindi mo lang talaga siya masusulit yung speed niya and everything. Pero super sulit din siya ang mga liter bikes. Just so na meron ka lang talaga kayong enough experience to drive these kinds of motorcycle. Kasi sobrang lakas talaga nila. As in, malakas talaga sila. So, yun, if you have the experience, you have prior knowledge sa mga ganitong classic bikes, you can buy it. But for the Philippine sake, I think the middle contenders or the middle bikes are enough. ZX6R, more than enough para dito sa Pilipinas. So, yun. By the way, ang price ng ating SCR1, ang bigay sa akin ng Garage Point is 66,500. So, if you wanna get yourselves a SC project, just contact Garage Point at yeah, they can assist you with your motorcycles. And it's not only exclusive to ZX-10R, marami pa silang mga other motorcycles that they can cater to. So yun, we are here, we're gonna find a parking, and that is it for us guys. Thank you, bye bye.